What's up, people?
Camber delete!
Today, we are taking off the stock camber arms and then putting on P2M camber arms to take away camber to fit my fat wheels.
So today we're gonna be doing some camber arms, taking off camber and doing fan back. See you later. Hello. Oh! Ow, my shoes! Fuck. I knew I shouldn't have worn. Okay.
6 bolts right here.
Elbow grease.
Not bad.
Not bad.
My stuff French cooked.
Rust?
It's
okay.
I spray paint it like 6 times.
That's fine.
Oh, dude. What's in my eye?
Is it a goodie?
No, no goodies.
Okay.
Right out.
See you later. Perfect. Holy. Oh. Yeah. Thanks. Oof, stinks. Oof.
Sway bar off, 14 mil.
Oof.
Oh, damn.
That thing is on there. Golly gee.
Here we go.
Get it? Break loose.
Oh, we lost our wrench.
Yeah, that thing flew away.
17 mil. Nut on the backside.
Very nice. You're contorted, my brother. Yeah.
17 mil. And ratchet with the extension, the blue extension on it.
Yeah. Is it moving?
Yeah.
I hate this thing.
You can go over there.
That's rude. See ya.
Yeah. Nice.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's a thing.
What a poor design.
Oh, I had the bag on. That's what this one. I think I have to take the bag out.
Oh, no you don't. Psych.
Nice.
Perfect. In with that.
Putting this juicer in here.
Oh yeah.
It's really fucking tight. Wow.
One eternity later.
What's next? Nope.
You added the camber to the top, so
Nope.
adding now. Oh,
Ball joint replacement.
replacement. Boom. That's wild.
Got the axle back in here. Loctite all the bolts. Tighten the fuck out of them.
Not bad. Good to go. There she is. Oh, it's gross.
All done. No more camber.
Positive.
All the schmeat.
It literally is positive.
Positive camber.
Kind of. Maybe like 3 degrees.
There he is. Pull it in. Traction.
We need to try to air it out. See if everything. Yeah, go for it.
Tight shit.
Damn. Ooh, she's bowing, but not bad. Still, yeah, no, wait. Not bad. Still fitted up.
Took about 7 degrees of camber out. Wheel still fits. Now, hopefully, we'll get traction. About to go do some test runs and ship out some packages.
That might be a cup.
Overall, kind of happy with it, kind of not. It's too cold to make conclusions on it. But the wheels do fit with less camber now, which is what I wanted to achieve. So when it gets warmer out, we'll do some more testing and we'll go from there. Thank you for watching.